Good morning from Anchorage, Alaska. Today we have no big adventure planned. We have an entire list of chores to do. So we thought, what better day to make a video showing you guys what a typical day in the life is like for us here in Anchorage, Alaska. Good morning, plants. So we've been up for just over probably 5 minutes, and Tyler has already made the bed and showered, and now he's making breakfast. So I think it's pretty apparent to say which one of us is the morning person here.
I have to have my coffee.
But we did get to sleep in about 2 hours past the regular time that I wake up, so that was a huge plus.
Polish sausage and pancakes.
Ooh, delicious.
Alright, here you go.
Thanks.
Yep. I'm gonna grab my coffee.
And Netflix? Yep. Okay, stop. You feel like a whole stick of butter.
I love my butter.
Look at his butter.
I don't use syrup.
We have an entire list of chores to get through today. Good job cleaning the window.
That's better than it was.
The first thing I need to do today is get some paperwork notarized for my 403B rollover to like Alaska's system or whatever. So we are going to UPS.
Yep. They're hopefully doing notary. We'll find out. And what document is it?
It's a 403B rollover. So official.
So you'll sign here and print your name here,
Okay.
and he'll do the same on the bottom.
Okay. All right, that turned out to actually be super easy. So now we get to move on to chore number 2, which is actually something fun.
Yeah. And if you need a notary, go to UPS. That was like simple.
So easy. Who would have thought? Time to do some Christmas shopping. We got a bag, we got a map. We're ready to do some shopping. Kayla, don't watch if you're watching this. Or Beth.
Okay.
Or Beth. Tyler's mom, don't watch. Got some goodies. Happy AK has the cutest headbands, so you can look them up online, but they're adorable. Traffic jam. We're taking an intermission here to get some food. Luckily, they have Tyler's favorite food truck right here. All right, you guys have to see Tyler's credit card. Salmon.
Pretty cool. Yeah, with a Coke and chips, and then water too.
As good as you remember?
Definitely.
That was so much busier than I think either of us thought it was gonna be, but we got a whole bag of goodies for Christmas, so worth it. Our next stop today is to go grocery shopping, and so we thought it'd be kind of fun to kind of share the prices of all the things we need, which is actually a lot because I've been cooking my way through the entire Friends cookbook this year, and I may or may not have been procrastinating a little, so now to finish it up by the new year, I have to do like 9 recipes a week.
And I want to say, we have been making our way through because I have to do all the dishes.
But it's been a fun project. So we're gonna go to Walmart, and fun fact, there's actually 3 Walmarts here in Anchorage, which I feel like a lot of people don't realize how many Walmarts there are or how big Anchorage actually is. We are not cool enough to go to Costco, don't have a membership. Are you ready to go grocery shopping?
I'm ready, except it's Saturday noon. It's gonna be so busy. In Anchorage, they have a plastic bag ban. So you actually have to pay for bags, which are like 10 cents each, so we always bring our own. All done. Let's go check out.
Grocery shopping done!
Done.
Now I just have to carry it all inside.
That's not the fun part. Endeavor's letting us go look for some moose. So cross your fingers. Let's hope we see 1 or 2.
Or 5.
Or 5. I love to look for moose.
Hopefully you guys will be our good luck charm.
Like 2 days ago on my way home from work at like 10 p.m. I saw one, so that made my whole day. Thank you.
Now I'm really set to go moose searching. Moose searching?
Now she's happy.
Now I'm really happy. If you're coming to Anchorage, Bear Bubble Tea is the spot to go. Best bubble tea in town, for sure. No moose yet, but we did find a couple who wore out their battery with the heat on in the car and not have the car running. So we helped them out and we'll continue our search for some moose. Fingers crossed.
We did our good deed, so hopefully we're rewarded now.
We made it to the very end of the road here in Kincaid Park and didn't see any moose, but pretty special treat for you guys that we're gonna show you.
A little icy. I think I need some salt.
Oh my gosh. Way in the distance, right over there, you can see the peak of Denali.
That's pretty rare. Only 30% of visitors get to see that. So count yourself lucky.
We made it!
We made it. I like that movie.
Now for the fun part. Putting all the groceries away.
Not fun.
No.
Yeah. Leave it in me.
So while Tyler continues to put all of our food away, I thought I would make us a snack because the really only thing we ate for lunch was half of a hot dog each. So waffle fries it is. One of the best choices we ever made was getting this $20 air fryer from Walmart. It is really, really dirty, so don't look too close. And of course, Chick-fil-A sauce. We don't have a Chick-fil-A here in Alaska. So this is the next best thing. So it's only about 2 p.m. and I'll be honest, typically we'd probably just chill out here now, watch some Netflix and call it a day, but we haven't been to the movies in a really long time and Tyler was craving some popcorn last night, like movie theater, buttered popcorn. So we're gonna go to the movies.
Deborah doesn't usually like the movies, so she said, let's go to the movies, so I have to take her up on it.
So after we have a snack break, we're heading back out.
To get more snacks. Alright, we good?
Yeah.
Let's go. Got our popcorn. Now we're in the movie theater. Let's go watch a movie.
You wake to the sound of glass breaking downstairs. There's an intruder inside. You jump from the bed and realize it's a little girl.
Pizza.
We got pizza. Do you want to tell them?
And we saw 2 moose.
Literally, as we pulled into like our parking lot.
Yeah.
They were just chilling on the side of the road.
They're probably like 100 yards from our apartment.
They were like right across the street. We went
Nice.
searching for them for nothing.
Now we
They were
found
right
them.
here.
Yeah, right by our condo. Pizza.
Pizza cheers.
Cheers.
Boop. You want to tell them the other good news?
So we think the Northern Lights might be out tonight. So when we don't have to work the next morning, we usually go watch. So we're gonna bring you with.
This is my favorite hat I have. Makes me happy. Unfortunately, you can never really predict the lights, but we've got our fingers crossed and there's a pretty good chance that they might even be out right now. We're gonna turn the lights off, and if you enjoyed that video, make sure to subscribe. We have lots of pretty epic adventures coming up from right here in Alaska. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye!